Our fully automated crystal growth control system offers complete control over every phase of the process of crystal growth, from seeding, necking, shouldering, and equal diameter growth all the way to finishing. This can provide a strong guarantee on both the consistency of crystal bars and the stability of products. We use high-precision cutting machines to process external and internal cylinders, which in turn contributes to a high level of production efficiency and ensures our products can be cut to high dimensional accuracy. This accuracy has led to numerous customers coming back to us time and again, knowing they will be getting the best possible products. Red laser light diffraction is carried out for testing a wide range of optical materials. With the use of single shaft polishing machine and optical rolling machine, we can shape the square materials into round cylinders. This guarantees a small tolerance, high pass rate, and superior efficiency. We can grind our products to the required size, perpendicularity, and parallelism according to the customer's order. The laser crystal bars, which are available in various sizes, are precisely ground in a single run for increased production efficiency. We have invested in more than 20 sets of 4-shaft polishing machines, which can perform laser polishing on the end face of the laser crystal with high levels of accuracy and efficiency. The industrial-grade ultrasonic cleaning system is utilized to ensure the uniform cleanliness of all workpieces. Prior to coating, cleaning, and wiping need to be carried out in order to ensure the smoothness of the coated laser crystal meets specification requirements. Our company has introduced high-performance coating machines from different countries. These facilities, combined with IAD and EB coating techniques, can adapt to a variety of application requirements. In this workshop, we own a host of cutting-edge optical test facilities. One example of our test facilities is the spectrophotometer that comes from Japanese Shimadzu. We take strict measures to ensure the quality of our products.